start of my vlog, and this is where we're staying at. Now I'm not sure where I'm at right now, and I know I'm not supposed to be here, but who cares? It's a vlog, you know, we're vlogging out here, right? I'm kind of a little nervous, but guys, we went swimming today. It was 50 degrees out. We went swimming. Take a look. All right, guys, I'm about to go swimming right now. All right, I'm about to go swimming right now, and it's going to be amazing. It's super cold out here. It's like 50-something degrees out, but I'm gonna say forget it because it's like the pool's super warm, and it's really nice. So we're about to go swimming, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video that I post, or the next clip. All right, guys. You already know, man, we're out here swimming. We decided to go swimming. I can swim, guys. I lied to you, I can swim. I'm a pretty good swimmer. I was doing a bunch of tricks, but yeah, it's pretty warm, but it's pretty cold outside. It's 50 degrees out, like I said, but it's still fun. It still feels amazing. Look at the view. Look at the view, man. The views. It's beautiful, man. I love it, you know. It's a very nice hotel in Orlando. It's called the Hyatt Regency. I'm not really sure, but it's amazing. So yeah, you should check it out sometime. It's freezing out here. It's cold. I'm freezing like a motherfucker. Oh, I did not mean to cuss. We're gonna bleep that one out if we can. If we can, we're gonna bleep it out. But look at the views, man. The views are amazing. We also went around the hotel, you know, looked around. It's a very beautiful hotel. Check that out right here. We are going on a cruise ship. We got to go on there at 2 o'clock. Now, guys, that's when the vlog is going to be amazing, all right? A lot of interaction with people. It's going to be lit. I promise you, all right? So stay tuned for that. Now, that's a little vlog. It's a little tiny vlog for today. I'm about to stay in this nice hotel. It's a very beautiful hotel, all right? We did a little sponsorship for Dodge, all right? A little Dodge, you owe me money. Take a look, Dodge. So we get special parking. We're right here. We get special parking right here because we got the rental car from this hotel. And yes, we are trapping in the minivan. All right, guys. It's very comfortable. I assure you, it is Dodge. All right. Now, Dodge, you owe me money. You owe me money now. But I came in here to get my charger. Had to get my charger, guys. I need my charge. My phone finna die. But guys, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I've been in a lot of nice hotels, and this is definitely one of them, okay? I love it. I love it. So it's gonna be lit, I promise you. So stay tuned and just watch my stuff. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, all right? And this next vlog is gonna be amazing, all right? It's gonna be lit, it's gonna be clowning, all right? This is very, chill, whatever. It's just letting you guys know, all right? So be ready.